on the list is Oriyomi Hamzat as the gubernatorial candidate for Accord in Oyo State.
Wọ́n fún ò ní fún yóò gbà kò ní gbà òun ni kì í sóhun ọ̀rọ̀ ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ti padà rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Alága ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú Accord Party lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà wọ́n wọ́n ti fún Alhaji Oriyomi Hamzat wọ́n ti fún un ní certificate of return gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹni tó jáwé olúborí tí ó sì mọ jẹ́ ẹni tí ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ fà kalẹ̀ tí ọmọ jẹ́ olùdíje sí ipò gómìnà ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ lẹ́gbẹ́ Accord Party nínú ètò ìdìbò ọdún 2027 tá à ń wò lọ́ọ̀kan. Tẹ́ ẹ bá gbàgbé tẹ́ ẹ bá rántí wípé oríṣiríṣi awuye ló ti jẹyọ nínú ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú Accord Party lórí ẹni tí ọmọ jẹ́ olùdíje sí ipò gómìnà ní inú ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú Accord Party. À ń gbọ́ pé gúdúgúdú àbí gúdùgúdù ni Kúnlé Búsàrí ó ní àwọn igun kan fà kalẹ̀. Wọ́n kọ́kọ́ ti fún un ní certificate of return tí wọ́n ń sọ wípé kì í ṣe Oríyọmí ìlẹ́gbẹ́ fà kalẹ̀ toríyọmí náà sì jáde wípé èmi lẹ́gbẹ́ fà kalẹ̀ èmi ni ẹgbẹ́ dìbò fún nínú primary tó wáyé. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ń jà rìnrìn lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára ṣùgbọ́n ṣàdédé la tún rí ní ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun Tuesday ọjọ́ kejì oṣù kẹfà ọdún tá a wà yìí tí Alhaji Oriyomi Hamzat tí ó mórí lé ilé ẹgbẹ́ Accord Party nílùú Àbújá tí alága ẹgbẹ́ Accord Party lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà Maxwell tó sì fi certificate of return Ìwọlomoye Ìwọláfẹ́ tó fi lé Alhaji Oriyomi lọ́wọ́. Alhaji Oriyomi sọ̀rọ̀. Kí ni Alhaji Oriyomi sọ? Kí ni ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó bá àwọn àgbààgbà ẹgbẹ́ ní national kí ló bá wọn sọ àti ní state àti gbogbo ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ lápapọ̀ kódà gbogbo ọmọ ìlú Ọ̀yọ́ ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ló bá sọ̀rọ̀. Kí l'Alhaji Oriyomi wí? Kí l'Alhaji Oriyomi sọ? Ẹ jẹ́ a jọ gbọ́ ká jọ wò ó níbi tí nǹkan dé dúró.
Stood by the truth, God will reward you. If it is by money, they said I don't have money, I know I don't have. But I have something that money cannot buy. There is a lady in Yoruba language that says, "Ẹni tó bá lé ní kó má sọ fún òun lówó." Chairman and the party as a whole, I'm giving you the assurance. I'm giving you the assurance by the grace of Almighty God. Oyo State will surprise you by 2027. The people of Oyo State will give it back to you the way you give it back to them today. They are going to show you that you did not make a mistake by standing by the truth. They will talk to you through your votes. They will appreciate you through their votes. And I'm giving you the assurance that we are going to vote and guide our votes. My loyalty is for the party, Accord, the only party that stands on top of every other party in Nigeria. My loyalty is for the people of Oyo State. They called me to come and serve them, and they gave me the very big task to get the ticket for them and get the rest for them. Once you give me this certificate, you will see the paper from Oyo State. They will call you, you will see the jubilation, and you will see the readiness. For my leaders, you have done it. The job is commencing now. Immediately I'm taking the certificate, I want it over to you. You will go and defend it.
Yes, sir.
And the only way you can defend the certificate is to convince our chairman and the party as a whole that the certificate given to us is worthy to be given so doing, I appreciate you. I am promising you here, sir, I'm going to work very hard to bring our people back home. You know, there's nothing bad. You can go out to where you don't belong. The bad thing is, if you refuse to return to where you belong, they will definitely come back and we are going to work together.
The business of the day is about progress. We are all gathered here to witness handing over of the certificate of results to those who emerged as candidates in our last primary. And the ambassadors that will represent Accord in the 2027 general election. First on the list is Oriyomi Hamzat as the gubernatorial candidate for Accord in Oyo State. And I, National Chairman of Accord, signed it. That shows that this certificate speaks for yes. It's a certificate. It's our way of saying that a party is trying to fly our flag forthcoming governorship election.